Hey guys, this is Joseph. We're going to be doing homework 9 this week. Homework 9 is on profiling. So let's get started. This is what your final drawing should look like. You can use the title block, any one we gave you. It should be over some. And then we should have a profile. This is an elevation profile. So we have a set distance on our horizontal axis. These are in hundreds of feet. So that's 50 feet, 100 feet, 150, 200. And then up here, you notice it's scaled differently. Okay, weird, gnarly, whatever. So let's get started. The directions are relatively easy and there's not a lot to them. All I give you is the station and the elevation. And we're asking you to plot them like we have on this. So we want 1 inch to equal 100 feet, and then 1 inch to equal 10 feet on the vertical. So this distance is the same as this distance. You notice they make a nice square. Because if we had it 1 to 1, this would look like a straight line. I mean, there would be a little curve, but we want to exaggerate the elevation. So let's get to it. There's a couple ways to do it. How I'm going to do it is I'm going to scale it 1 to 1, and then I'm going to change it when I insert it again as a block. So let me make a new drawing. Right, now I'm just going to start drawing things. Now that sounds stupid. Actually, I'm going to make a new layer. I'm going to start drawing exactly what it says. So come on, little buddy. New profile, we'll call it homework 7 _ profile. Cool. And let's filter it to, why not? Homework 7. You should be there. There it is. Put that one on. Good to go. So, like I said, where'd they go? It's in the directions. Let me pull it up real quick. So I'm just going to start with this. So 0, 0, 2807, and I'll just go all the way across. So here we go. Line. Okay. 0, 0. Oh, sorry. Line. Enter. 0, 2008.7. So my start point's way over here. That's fine. Okay, my next point will be 50, 2009.1. That looks kind of crazy. Ooh, I don't want at 50. So where to go? Did it again. So let's do at 50, and then the difference between them. So 0.4. Right. That's cool. Let's do it again. At 50, the difference. So that's 3.2. Do it again at 50, what is that, 0.7. Then it's flat lines at 50, 0. Then it goes up some more at 50, 3.2. At 50, 4.3. And then at 50, 0.5. Where am I at? I'm at 400. So I'll leave it there. You guys can do the rest. But this is what we have, right? And it's not that great. I can't see any exaggeration. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a block. So highlight it, block, and then I can make this y-axis 10 times what I want the x-axis to be. So I can call this profile. And now let's just say I insert my profile. I want this to be 10 right here. Oop, didn't like it. Let me try it again. Block profile 2. Specify objects. There we go. Pick point. Okay, let's insert it. Profile 2. Make the y 10 times as big. There you go. Let's try making it a W block. W block. Where'd you go? No object selected. Put it on the desktop. New block. Yep. Insert. Oh, where'd it go? Come on. Okay, one last time. I think it inserts at the origin, so let's try it real quick. New block. Let's make this 10 times. Yeah. So it was at the origin. So you notice that now the vertical scale is exaggerated compared to this. This is without the 10 scale. This one is with the 10 scale. So what we want you to do is we want you to do that. I just did, that's a normal block I'm trying to insert here. But you can do it with the W block. Either one will work. So after you've done that, we've put in all the points. All we want you to do is put in elevations and feet. So we know we started here. We have that set value. That's 2008.7. And then you can make these hatches. What I did was I made a line. Right? You can do lines or boxes. If you make a box, then you can do pattern, which is right here. And then you can pattern the whole thing. So you really only have to make one, and then you can get all of them really quickly instead of doing box. I need a box. So let's do that real quick. Pattern, that and that. So count how many you want, spacing, columns, rows. Count how many do I want? 5. And then you can keep going. Let's do it up here so you can actually see what I'm doing. Let's make that a set distance so we're not jumping around. At 20, 10. Okay, spacing. I want it to be 20, 10, and then count. Let's make that 10, and then we can make that one 5. Cool. Right click, enter, and now we have all the cool boxes. Yours would be 110 or whatever. I get some weird ones in there now. Let's get rid of them. And then you have to add each of these text labels. You should be